What's up, workout buddies? Welcome back to the channel. So this is a 10-minute dynamic stretching routine that I created for myself to get more flexible legs. So if you're with me, let's go. Alright, so we're starting off with bound ankle pose. So have a seat on the floor and bring the heels of your feet together. Bring your feet as close to your hips as possible, letting the knees drop open, letting gravity pull them open for you. Now you can grab onto your feet or just have your arms straight in front of you, and with the straight back, stretch forward, and don't forget to breathe. Lie onto your back for the next one and draw your knees into your chest. Grip the outer edges of your feet and ankles. Pull your feet down to guide your knees towards the floor outside your ribs, and keep your ankles stacked directly over your knees. Press your lower back and tailbone flat into the mat. Feel the deep opening in your deep hip sockets and hamstrings. Gently rock side to side to massage the glutes. Stay in the same position, just cross your left ankle over your right thigh, just above the knee, and reach through and grab the back of your right hamstring. Pull your right thigh towards your chest, keep your left foot flexed to protect your knee, press your left knee slightly away from you, and feel the deep stretch in your outer left hip and glute. Lower your feet back to the floor, keeping your knees bent. Cross your right ankle over your left thigh. Loop your hands around your left hamstring and pull it inward. Keep your shoulders relaxed on the mat and neck flat on the floor as well. Focus entirely on the sensation in your outer right hip. Pull a fraction closer with each exhale to deepen the stretch. Come onto your right side. We're going to do some leg lifts with the left leg first. So engage your glute and inner left thigh and lift that left leg up and lower slowly. Perfect. So flip over to the other side. We're gonna do the right leg, same thing. Alright, so let's bring some synovial fluids into the region by doing some leg swings. So lie on your back, legs straight up in the air, and just open your legs up with momentum and close them back up. Alright, so for the next one, stand with your feet wide apart. Drop your left knee on the floor and bend your knee at a 90-degree angle, and also flex that left foot and bring your hips as close to the floor as possible. With the other leg, you're going to keep that leg straight and locked and just stretch down as much as possible. Alright, so same thing on the other side. You're gonna bend the right knee and let it relax on the floor. Have the leg at a 90-degree angle, and have your right foot flexed behind you in the half frog pose. And you're gonna have a straight left leg locked and just stretch down as much as possible. Alright, so everything we just did is to get us closer and closer to the middle split stretch. So have a seat on the floor and open your legs as wide as possible. Flex both feet and point your kneecap straight up to the ceiling. Keep your spine straight and hinge forward from your hip joints. Walk your hands out in front of you. Stop when you feel a very deep stretch along both inner thighs and underneath your legs. And hold there till the timer is up. Great job, you guys. Great job, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed that stretching routine. And I also recommend doing this workout alongside the donkey kick workout because you do not want weak glutes. Weak glutes will cause your thighs to overcompensate. And I think that's one of the reasons why my thighs are super tight. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.